Hello creators! In this After Effects tutorial, we will learn how to create this dark, cinematic, glossy, movie-style logo reveal. So without any wait, let's jump into After Effects and see how to create this logo reveal. Create a new solid layer for background. Add the gradient ramp effect. Set background start and end color for background. Adjust the ramp position. Set ramp scatter to 500. Perfect. Let's add the logo to the timeline. You can scale your logo if needed. Pre-compose the logo. Select Move All Attribute into New Composition. Now add the reflection media and place it below logo. Pre-compose it. For reflection, change Track Matte to Alpha Matte Logo. Let's add the Turbulent Displace effect for reflection composition. Now add CC Glass effect. For glass, set Bump Map to Logo. Set Softness to 0. Set Height to 20. Set Displacement. In Light, set Light to AE Light. Perfect. Now add CC Blobalize effect. For Blobalize, set Blob Layer to Logo. Set Softness to 10. Set Cutaway to 0. Set Light to AE Light. In Shading, change Ambient to 10. Change Diffuse to 50. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. Let's add Photo Filter to this adjustment layer. Set Filter to Custom. Set Density to 85%. Now let's create a new light. Light Type to Point. Intensity to 100. For this point light, we will adjust the position. At Start, create keyframe and adjust the X, Y, and Z position as shown. At 2 seconds. For 4 seconds now at end. Now at end. Adjust the position. You can see the light effect. Select all except background. Pre-compose it. Name it as Glossy Logo. Now add the drop shadow effect for the glossy logo. Set opacity to 100%. Set distance to 10. Set softness to 25. Here you need to adjust the direction of shadow. Now add the glow effect to the glossy logo. For glow, set glow threshold to 50%. Set glow radius to 2. Now at 2 seconds, create keyframe for intensity and set intensity to 0. Now at 1 second, set intensity to 2. Now set color to A and B. Set B color to white. Now add the logo composition below the glossy logo. Now add the fill for logo composition. Set color to black. Now add the CC Radial Fast Blur for logo. Position the center as shown. Set amount to 90. Now add the curves to logo. For curves, adjust the alpha channel as shown. This create a dark long shadow effect. Change logo and glossy logo to 3D. Create new camera. Create null object. Change null to 3D. Parent camera to null. Now for null, we will create start and end keyframe and adjust the position. Now let's create rotation keyframes. At 2 seconds, create keyframe for X and Y rotation. Now at start, set X and Y rotation to 30 and 20. Select keyframe. Change Keyframe Assistant to Easy Ease. Here you need to adjust the speed graph as shown. Here you can make changes to the background if you want depending on your logo. Perfect. Now create a new adjustment layer. Add the camera lens blur to the adjustment layer. For camera blur, at 2 seconds create keyframe and set blur to 0. At start, set blur to 35. Now create keyframe at 4 seconds. At Inset Blur to 25. Select Repeat Edge Pixels. Now add the curves to the adjustment layer. Here we will slightly adjust the curves. Perfect. Now add the Sharpen effect. Set Sharpen amount to 8. Now add noise to this adjustment layer. For this noise, we will set amount of noise to 5%. Now create a new dark solid layer. Here we will create opacity keyframe for start and end. Set opacity from 100% to 0 and 0 to 100%. Here, if you want, you can add the point light effect on the logo. This is optional. Adjust the position and create keyframes for start and end effect. Perfect. Now let's see the complete preview. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. This is how you can create a dark, cinematic logo reveal in After Effects. This complete After Effects template is available on my web store. Check out the link in the description.